Hi everybody, we are in the Cotswolds at the moment in a place called Winchcombe. Absolutely beautiful. Really nice, kind of sleepy village. Don't know if you've ever been to the Cotswolds, but absolutely stunning. This is a little village in the Cotswolds known as Stanton. Absolutely gorgeous. And the great thing about it, not many people here. This kind of looks like an old church building here. Wow, it is somebody's home. I love the colour of the stone. Have you been here before? If you have, let us know in the comments what you thought. Hi everybody, we are having a bit of a day here in the Cotswolds. This is Snows Hill. Absolutely beautiful once again. So many little villages and towns here that are truly stunning.